This is an appalling tragedy that's happened today. It's yet another boat disaster on the Mediterranean. We have accounts of at least 90 people dead from the local authorities. Our thoughts right now are with the families and the people affected themselves, but you have to think of the tragedy that lies behind this, which is that these people, many of them are likely to have been fleeing war, fleeing persecution, fleeing human rights abuses in their own countries. So this is a tremendous tragedy of multiple layers.
Quattro, 5, 6, 7, qua di qua più avanti, 8, 40, 41. Due racconti sempre.